All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and let's talk about the XTOOL D8 scan tool. All right, so the XTOOL D8 I have found to be an extremely powerful scan tool. It has done some stuff that my Autel, the shop's Autel, my Snap-on, my Bosch will not be able to do. Most recently, it reset fuel trims on a Volvo. I haven't got into the coding features and the programming features, just haven't needed it. If I get into that kind of stuff, I will do an update, but I haven't had the need to. It also does immobilizers. Again, I haven't had the chance to use it, but I have been impressed by what it has done for me so far. Late model Volvos, been able to do various tasks that other scan tools have failed at. So it's definitely a good tool to have in the toolbox. It's fast in most cases. That Volvo I was talking about earlier, it would not have identified I had to do it manually. It would not pull the VIN for some reason. Quirk of every scan tool. I mean, I'm sorry, every scan tool out there has little quirks that just doesn't do, but it did the reset. Biggest drawback to it though is it's wired, and I mean, that's kind of the biggest drawback is, well, you got to sit there in the seat instead of sitting on your toolbox, you know, punching away at keys, looking at data. You got to be in the driver's seat. Haven't had to do that in a while, and it, you know, kind of sucks a little bit. So it definitely is a worthwhile tool, especially for the price. The price is the big selling point of this. It does a lot more than the basic launch tools do, bi-directional controls, all that kind of good stuff. It's been an impressive tool. Again, I will do an update video when I've had a chance to use some of the immobilizer features and the coding features, but just haven't had the opportunity. It's definitely an impressive tool and well worth the price for that tool. So, give you an update on it. It's definitely a go-to tool now in the shop. Gets a thumbs up from me. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the flatratemaster.